Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Tortuga Setout laptop backpack. This is a smaller 25-litre version of the larger Setout backpacks from Tortuga. This one focuses more on business travellers and those who don't need as large a backpack, and also potentially for those who would use it for shorter trips. However, if you know how to pack less, you could certainly use this bag for longer trips, and in my case I was able to fit my full packing list of gear into this bag comfortably without any trouble. My packing list was actually designed for a 30-litre bag, but it fit very nicely into this 25-litre bag, so it's a very capable bag indeed. The bag has a small front stash pocket, a front quarter zip panel which inside has a generous assortment of organizational pockets, and more zippered pockets inside. There's a spacious main compartment with two mesh zippered pockets on the inner panel too. Moving into the laptop compartment, there's a small zippered mesh pocket, and then three sleeves, one which could potentially be used for a laptop, and another possibly for a tablet, and another for anything else such as papers or books. On the back of the bag are the straps, which actually include a sternum strap, and they can also be tucked away. As you can see here, I was able to fit my full clothing cube worth of clothes, my tech pouch and electronics, as well as my GoPro accessories and full mirrorless camera. Also my MacBook Pro 13-inch, and I still had room for more things if I wanted to pack more. This bag is very well made, and I really love the details that Tortuga have added across the bag. From the subtle yet attractive Tortuga logos on the zipper pulls to the subtle Tortuga logo embedded in the backpack straps. Speaking about the materials, it's made from a strong water-resistant 900D polyester. Water does run off the bag, as you can see, however the zippers are not water resistant, so water will eventually seep into the bag through the seams and zippers if exposed to enough water. The fabric of the bag is very hard wearing, and in my months of testing I haven't noticed any signs of wear or tear. The backpack straps are very comfortable and made from an interesting mix of mesh and foam. They also have a clip down the bottom which allows them to be tucked into the back of the bag for a more streamlined suitcase look. The back of the bag has some thick and comfortable padding too, which makes it very comfortable to wear even whilst fully packed and with a laptop inside. The zips on the bag are also very smooth and a joy to open and close. I only occasionally had a bit of a snag while unzipping the rear laptop pocket, and I think this was just due to the seam being a bit stiff. But overall the zips are very smooth, and the zips on the bag all have a padlock loop built in too, so if you wanted to secure your bag you also have that option. Water bottle fans will be pleased to know that there is a dedicated water bottle pocket on the side of the bag. I prefer to carry my vapor rollable water bottles on the inside of my bag though, but I know a lot of people do love a dedicated water bottle pocket. Now on to a couple of things I didn't like about the bag. First is the front panel compartment only opens a quarter of the way, whilst the organizational pockets inside reach a bit deeper down. It makes it a little bit awkward to use the pockets while it doesn't open fully to give you full access. Another thing about this pocket is that the zips are right next to the zips for the main compartment. So just about every time I went to open the main compartment or the front compartment, I'd grab the wrong zip and have to look again to make sure I was opening the right compartment. The other very small problem I have with this bag is that it weighs 2.8 pounds or 1.27 kilograms, which is quite a lot of dead weight, especially if you're packing to a 7 kilogram or 15 pound weight limit. Aside from these small complaints though, I really do like the design of this bag and the materials that they used. The grab handles are very comfortable and the organizational pockets are great. It's super comfortable to wear for long periods of time, and I will continue to use this for my day bag while out and about, especially when working with a laptop. I also look forward to trying it as my main bag for future trips. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what is your favorite backpack, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.